you doing, man?
Yeah, so we finally got our window delivery this week, which is huge. So we got that on Friday, I think, and windows kind of hold up drywalling because you got to put your windows in before you finish drywalling. We went ahead and started with drywalling, and then when our windows showed up, they've been focused on getting their windows in, and then they're going to drywall their window seals and frame it out with drywall. So things are going well. Supply chain just makes us operate in different ways, but they're getting their windows in, getting their doors on, then they'll start mudding all their drywall. So we were trying to get 12-foot all thread, and we couldn't find any in Tucson or Phoenix, and so we ordered out of New York. And so all thread we're still waiting on. Windows, three weeks out, we just had to wait and wait and wait, and we got 40 windows in. So just, it's the time to take. Production, all the manufacturing plants are not having all the workers they want. Construction doesn't have all the workers they want. So things are just slower, and so we're trying to adapt to that. Yeah, we're trying to supply workers for whoever needs workers, that this supplies skilled people to be able to meet their needs. We have people stopping by here, coming in to see what's going on. They see our sign out front, they see the building going on. Monday, we're going to have City of Tucson recruitment department in here because they understand we're creating skilled workers. We've had Pima College come. We've had all types of businesses come. We have a couple business sponsors in the contracting industry that they want our people. They need our workers. And so it's a huge need here in Southern Arizona. As they leave here after we've talked about it, they're excited, they're hopeful, they see that this is making a change and are wanting to support us so that they can benefit from it as well. Well, yeah, you have building going on all over this city, all the suburbs, everywhere. We have building going on, and they just need the workers. They need laborers, and they need people who are skilled in those areas. We got Brandon here. He's getting ready to mud the walls. He's getting the mud out of the box, getting it in the bucket. They're going to put maybe a little water in there to loosen it up, and then they're going to take that and put it on the walls. And Isabel's instructed them on what they're going to do. They'll take their trowels, get it in their mud buckets, and then they're going to get it up on that wall and make the joint, fill in that joint first. You have Brandon over there taping his joints, getting ready for the mud to go on. So they're working in tandem, one doing one task, one another, and that helps them to be able to accomplish their tasks in a better fashion. So these doors come pre-hung already, and part of the problem with that is they're not always done in the best way. So this door was in already yesterday, and we had some troubles with it not closing because some things are off. So we took it out, and we're going to adjust it, and then we're going to put it back in. But the doors have to go in. They have to be plumb. They have to be level. And one way to test that is you open the door and you set it there. And if the door doesn't swing closed or swing out, then you know it's plumb. But if it won't close, then you know it's not. So this frame was a little twisted, so we're trying to adjust that for them to be able to get that in. So Carol was with a partner who both have already done drywall and mudding. So that went okay for them. So they're able to now disperse and teach their teammates and help them excel at that as well. And that's one of the things we build on here is when people have strengths, we like to accentuate those strengths. And while they're working in partners and trying to accomplish it as partners, they're still a class, they're a team together. And so helping their own classmates to accomplish that is awesome.
If I'm a student, when I'm showing another student how to do something, does that further solidify it in my head, in my brain?
So every time you hear it, it's just another feather in your cap to be able to remember it. So a teacher can tell you, a student can tell you, a contractor, a general, the inspector, whatever. Every time you hear it, the bigger chance you're going to remember that and stay with you. So it's awesome to have multiple times. Repetition, we know, is always one of the ways that helps us remember.